Good morning! Today is May 1, Labor Day, May 1, 2026, and 5:51 a.m. na. Hello, Erin! Where are we going? Yes! Punta kami ngayon. Yeah. Punta kami ngayon ng Adventure Beach Water Park sa May Subic. It's 5:51 a.m. and nag-sunrise na. Ang ganda ng sunrise. So, samahan nyo kami today for our Labor Day
I think it's
getaway.
4 hours or 3 hours.
Yeah, mga ganun. 3 hours.
Yeah, 3 hours.
Yeah, nasa NLEX na kami.
I was so excited.
Yes! Mga excited. Tignan mo, naka-swimsuit na sila. Yung open kasi ng Adventure Beach Water Park 9 a.m. Ano pa lang ngayon? Mag 6 na. So baka nandun na kami ng mga 7 or 7:30 ganyan. Itong mga ko excited yan. So pinag-swimming ko na sila. Para pagdating doon, sunscreen na lang and then
And do you like our new swimsuits?
Yes! Yung swimsuit pala nila, pinili ko yan sa TikTok shop sa Unifit brand. Okay. Ang ganda ng sunrise.
And Mommy gave me the phone. Oh my gosh. Oh, yes. Also, I want to show you our snare. This is what we got here. And these are new. And these are our new slippers. It's the same thing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Like that. And then I'll show you your slippers. I'll show you your slippers to the vlog. Erin, show your slippers to the vlog. Dali! She got 3 gibbets. I don't know why I just got.
Ayan, ang ganda ng daan dito. Papunta na kaming Subic. Ito yung gusto kong daan. Ang ganda. 1 hour na lang, nandun na kami sa Adventure Beach Water Park.
And it's so sunny right now.
Hi guys! How are you na?
Good.
Erin, are you excited?
Yes. It's only 1 hour. That's not bad.
Yes. Tignan nyo guys, ang ganda! I like this highway. Very maganda. Yay! We're here na!
Yeah,
Kakanan na tayo dito.
We're almost there, and then
600 meters.
so yeah.
You'll arrive at Adventure Beach
Ay,
Water Park.
hindi pa
Subic
yata
Bay.
pwede pumasok. Ang opening kasi nito 9 a.m.
Hello, sir. Sa ano
Pwede
po,
na po pumasok? Maaga po kami.
Adventure Cove.
Opo. Adventure Beach.
Beach Water Park po.
Opo, opo.
Ay,
Sige. Ayan, papasok na kami sa
Yeah, we gotta eat still because it's still close.
Ayan. 7:51 dumating kami dito. 9 a.m. ang open. So, maghihintay kami. Yula! Maghihintay muna kami. Aray.
Hi.
Sorry.
Dahan-dahan
We're
lang.
almost there. We can feel the water.
Mag-aalmusal muna kami. May baon kami na
But we're gonna
adobo.
eat still because I'm still hungry.
So the kids have energy. Kasi lang naman kami dito.
And it's
Walang
still
dito
close.
sa Adventure. Uy, dito Adventure Cove.
Dito on Adventure Cove. Is
Hindi,
that wrong?
tayo Adventure Beach. Doon pa sa... Ayan. Ayan, iba pa yung adventure ko. Meron dito sa Singapore, di ba? Dito kami pumupunta. Ay, hindi pa kami nakapunta dyan. Sa ano kami? Sa Singapore. Pero meron din siyang beach, oh. Dito muna tayo kasi dito na tayo nakapagpa-reserve eh. Dito sa Adventure Beach
Oh yeah,
Water
that's
Park.
the water park.
Let's park.
And
Ayan,
that's really
ayan yung ano,
scary.
yung pinaka signage. Let's park muna.
Yun naman yun ang sa-
Yeah, and find where is
Where do you want to park? Near the...
Ayan, this is water
Dito
park.
na lang.
Ayan, this is
Dun oh. Ayan. Man! Guys, andun yung Adventure Water Beach Park. Tapos pumunta kami dito banda sa dagat. So ito yung makikita. Ayan. Ayan yung makikita. Ayan, pwede mag-picture dito. Habang naghahantay kasi ano pa lang, 8:20 AM, 9 AM magbubukas yung ano.
Pwede ka dun.
Look, ang linaw ng tubig. Ito ano kaya to? Yan siguro yung ano, Adventure Cove. Kasi una muna yung Adventure Cove, tapos kakaliwa sa ano, kakaliwa sa Adventure Beach. Wow! Ayun sila. Just ano ha, touch the water lang ha, don't swim because we don't know if this is a swimming area. Ayan, hinihintay natin yung ano, ticketing mag-open.
Aaron. Sit here. Ay, doon lang doon. Yan.
Ito yung ano nila, rates.
Sit beside Auntie.
For cage fee. Ayan, dito kami nakapark. Tapos, andyan na agad siya. Yan yung entrance. Ma, look here. I will zoom okay. Smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ayan guys, nakapasok na kami. Hindi ko na na-videohan. Nagkakagulo kasi. Ayan, pupunta na kami sa aming, ano lang yung kinuha namin, Square Cabana. Yung pang 4 packs. Watch your step. Ayan, dyan. Thank you po.
How do we get in? We're gonna see today's
O, yung sunscreen muna. Time now is 9:29 AM. Ayan na sila. Grabe. Nagpa-sunscreen agad. Tapos, ayan. Nag-shower. And then, ayan na sila. Hey!
Hi!
Dito kayo. Di kayo kita sa camera. Oh, here is the slide. This is the ano, twin twister slide.
No. No.
Tayo mo yung shower.
Oh my god. Okay, guys.
Ayan. Doon kami nakaupo. 36. Malapit sa kiddie pool. Tapos, mga ano. Ayan. Maraming mga kabana. Since maaga pa, hindi pa siya puno. Marami pang vacant. Galing din. Ayan. Ah! Ayan, itong mga anak ko, pag gusto ko sana haba, tuyo muna sila, tapos mag-picture-picture kami. Eh, hindi. Pagdating, nag-sunscreen, tapos nag-ano na sila agad. Nag-swimming. Ayan, doon ang entrance. Pag ayan dito, ganyan. Doon ang beach. Nawawala sa focus pag nandito ako. Ayan, let's go to the beach. You want to drink water muna?
No.
Andun yung water. Ayan, let's go to the beach. From our cabana to the beach. Malapit lang. Ayan na siya, oh. May inflatable sila. Dito na.
Ito daw. Ay, ito daw.
Ayan na ang beach. Ang daming pwedeng gawin dito. Meron ding Adventure Cove. Pero yung Adventure Cove is ano.
Para ano, view mo to.
Oo nga, pwede naman tayo lumipat. Basta wala daw ano. Bakante. Ayan. Picture muna tayo ah.
I'm swimming.
Oh, picture. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Nagpasel.
Erin, your shoes here. Put it here, please.
Daddy, remove your chinelas. Yeah.
Uy, tangayin niya. Dito mo ilagay. Ayan. Tangayin.
What's that over there? That's the opposite circle. No.
Ang linaw ng tubig.
Mama. Mama.
Yeah.
Remove your slippers so that you can feel the sea. It's really jealous.
It's okay. Ang linaw.
Just go here
Ayan, nandito kami sa ano, inflatable.
Ay, hindi.
Ano mo, umaangat? Ayan, i-seatbelt mo yung dalawa para hindi umangat. Dalawa yan.
Saan?
Ayan, yung isa sa kabila. Dalawa yan para hindi
boy!
Iangat mo yung cellphone mo yung sa strap. Baka mamaya
Wala to
mapasok. Ay!
Kalimutan. Can you go there?
No, you can. You have life vest. Don't be afraid. Just have fun.
Don't be afraid to try.
Come on, Mama.
Kunin mo yung inflatable. Kulang nga kasi yung sa punja mo. Dapat dalawa para hindi masakit. O sige, dali. Diyan kayo. Si Erin ang galing. Yula! Erin, you help Yula! You help Yula! Hinila ka din niya. Oh, bumaba! Bumaba para i-help! Oh my God!
Okay, go.
You kick!
You can do it.
Hold my feet! Hold my feet!
No, you can do it. Let her do.
Din, ano mo yung cellphone mo? Yula! Oh, picture kayo, picture. 1, 2, 3, smile!
I'm too big.
Sumipa ka! Oh, dali! Erin, you jump here! Ano? You jump here, jump! Jump! Jump there!
Jump yun lang.
Yula, jump!
So Erin will ano?
Erin, go! Jump!
1, 2, Erin! Erin, hold that! Hold that! Hold it!
You lang first.
Wag na nga! Wag! Ang bibi... Doon na lang sa yellow. Doon, no? Doon tayo sa loob. Go! Doon! Ayun, no? Ano yun siya yung ano, oh, yung white inflatable, hindi naman lumalayo.
That doesn't do. Nah, that's for fun times.
Ha? Fun times? Oh, hindi. Malalim na dito. Hindi ko naabot.
55.
Sa inyo to?
Daddy! Broken.
Lumalayo! Lumalayo! Hawakan mo! Hawakan mo yung rope. Lumalayo!
Daddy, this is my bow. Now let's go over there. There's a rope. I need to put my goggles over there.
No, you just put it in your neck. It's very far na.
It's in your neck.
We're here na. Ayan, nandito na kami sa inflatable. Picture, come here. Let's picture. Nakaakyat din, ano ba yan? Yula! Yula!
I'm not done.
Red, and then yung white para sa photo. Hindi makita yung ano, bundok. Ayan. Oh, photo. Hindi makita yung bundok.
Ay?
Yan!
Hmm.
Yan. Yan, picture. Mountain! You say Happy Labor Day. Say Happy Labor Day.
Happy Labor Day.
Ulitin mo, kita yung bundok.
Happy Labor Day.
Okay, enough.
Okay, let's go down.
Stand up.
Okay, go. Stand up and then jump.
No, do like this. No.
No, jump lang yun lang.
Yeah. Jump lang, jump. Ate, you can jump. You have life vest. It's okay.
Like this.
1,
Don't be afraid.
2, 3. Well,
Yay!
look at this.
There you go.
Daddy, jump. Jump high as you can.
Wait,
Makes the dream work.
Go away, mo ba dito ang init? Oo. Kapit ka. You can do it, Daddy. O, kapit sa taas. Doon ka banda. Ayan, and then we will wala magbibideo sa atin. Ay, ikaw na mauna, tas videohan mo kami. Ikaw muna, tas video. Naka-video ka naman.
Is it yes, Dada? Dada? Is it yes?
Walang tubig, no? It's okay, we're here. You go to the other side, Yula. We're sliding. Ipa-slide mo yung vest mo, humiga ka. Humiga ka.
Dito?
Oo, yan. Go. Wait lang. Daddy will video. Ayan! Oh, wait lang. Daddy will video.
Oh, jump.
No, let's stay here lang. Ganito ang view natin. Hello, guys.
Yeah, we're in this paddling again.
Anong oras na, Beb?
11. Ay, 10:40.
Gutom na ako.
How about let's do the challenge?
Ang araw.
Let's do a challenge. Stand up and then whoever falls or sit and then leaves it. But whoever's still standing up.
Okay. Sure. Dapat dito banda para walang Din! Parang lubog sa'yo dyan. Kaya naman yung umakyat oh. Payat kasi yan. Smile, Erin! Yula! 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 Look here! 1, 2, 3, smile! Erin! You say Happy Labor Day!
Happy Labor
You look at the camera. 1, 2, 3, smile! Hey!
Happy Labor Day!
Hey! Portrait naman. Yan. Rocky! Time now is 11:09. Kakain na kami kasi hindi kami nag-breakfast, nagkape lang. Tapos sila nagmamon. Ang baon namin is pork and chicken adobo. Yula, what are you doing? Are you guys having fun? Daddy. Hi, it's 11:57 a.m. na. Tapos na kami kumain, nagkakape lang ako kasi baka antukin ako. Hindi pa naman natutulog yung mga bata kasi tuloy-tuloy sila maglaro. Kaya to keep up, kailangan magkape. Ayun, nakalabas na dito. Daddy, try natin yung siso.
Wait. Come here. Zero. Okay, go.
Can I see? 1, 2, 3, smile.
Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa river. Yula is pushing me. Where are you now? Ah! Aray! Woo! Erin, dali na. Oh, it's very nice to lay down.
Let me go into actually. I can get a flooding.
Ah! Naku, iitim na ako masyado. Oh, ano ba to? Pa-Beyonce na ako. Waterfall off your skin. Swim. I just wanna dive. Hi! Bala ka, ayaw mo kasi gumanito, mas masarap. Ah! Ganito ang sunbathing. Ah!
Sobrang ito.
Ah! Ano dyan? Uy, grabe, sunog na ang mukha ko. Mga alipin. Charing.
Mga alipin sa gitna.
Mga alipin. Itulak nyo ko. Don't walk, Yula. Daddy will just push us. Sit like this. Like me. Look. Woo! Dali na, you sit like this. It's fun and relaxing. Erin, how did you do that? Do it again. Help me. You can do it alone nga eh.
Ano ginawa niya?
Oh. Oh, go. Ulo, grabe na. Ang kaitiman ni Paulette Drona. Oh, dali, go. Yeah. Yula. Yula, you pull up. Taas mo sarili mo. Itaas mo, wag mong ibaba. Charing.
I want my butt wet.
You want your
My butt.
You want your butt wet? Alipin, push mo kami. Sorry. Push. Hey! I'm behind you.
Spin.
Pagod ka na, Alipin. Sorry. Hala, mauntog ako. Mauntog ako sa dome. Excuse me, Alipin. Ay! Aray. Oh, wag siksikan. Yula! Erin! Yeah, it's so fun. We have the Alipin pushing us. Why? Go!
ba? Di ba? Sabi mo.
We are in the beach. And we are sitting in the trampoline.
Yehey! Ayan, ganyan yung itsura niya. Ayan, nakatayo.
There's water inside.
Ayan, nasa trampoline ka. Ay, ay!
Dad, you're gonna fall. Dada! Daddy. Okay, we should show Daddy. That's me.
Yan yata yung Adventure Cove. Or Kamayan. Kamayan. Picture! Sit down there. Daddy's in the middle. Sit down. Sit down there, you Erin. I will take a picture. Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. You sing. I follow you.
Into the sun.
Look in the camera, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Smile, look at the camera. Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Oh, this is a rare moment. Ikaw lang mag-isa. Tapos ako naman ha. Smile. 1, 2, 3, smile.
1, 2. 1. Oh. Nahulog ka dyan.
Wala nalaglag.
Ay, bad lang eh. Nasa mukha ko pala. Go.
Hinigal na ako ha. Ako na yan. Okay na, let's go. Wait lang, I'm tired. The quarantine is hiningal. The daddy is struggling.
Ano, lampas pulo yung lalim? Lampas
Oo.
pulo yung lalim?
Oo, malalim. May life vest po doon.
It's getting fun now.
It's okay, may tali yan. May tali yan.
Only a little bit long, huh?
Yula, this is the boundary. You can go until the yellow one. You have a life vest naman. Don't be afraid, mommy's here.
Get in this one. So you have to pick, and
Push yourself, yeah.
and then pull.
Wow, that's how you do it. That's so useful. That's so helpful, Yula. Thank you so much for teaching us. Oh, you video, mommy.
Do you see a fish?
Erin. Hi. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Whoa! Plakda! Oh, look at them, oh.
Daddy. Daddy. Under one.
No, go there, oh.
Ah, they want the swimming pool?
No, over here.
Oh, you want to go up there?
Dada? Mommy, we're going
Erin, what is that?
the mango.
The mango sponge. Yeah, it looks like a mango. But
at
it's
the
ano, it's a styrofoam. Oh, don't touch it. Ay, parang may crab pa na maliit. Ayan oh, I think that's a crab. Ay,
I feel like there's a crab too.
no, it's okay.
Crab is in the
Look, there's a mango. Daddy, hold me.
Looks like a mango. Erin, come here lang. You cannot go outside. You cannot go outside the mango. Stay here lang. Ayan, malapit na ako sa dulo. Yay!
Di ko abot eh. Kapuruan mo. Taas mo. Ano sa beach?
Erin, Yula. Woo! Ang sarap ng ang tunog ng tubig. Aliens, aliens. Yula, Erin, picture. 1, 2, 3, smile. Erin, look at that camera. One, two, three, smile, Erin. Time now is 3:31. Ayan, low tide na siya. Ayan, ang dami na saan. Low tide na.
Go back here. Oh. No.
Erin!
Yes.
Hi!
Hi.
Yula! Hi guys! Time now is 5:28 p.m. Pauwi na kami.
And we're going home.
Are you happy?
Yes.
You can sleep.
Okay.
Grabe, sunog na ako. Well done steak. Ay, sunog sa bundok. Okay, parang na. Oh, yung network na yun, oh.
Baka naman.
Baka siguro wala tayong converge. Sorry.
Dahil yun.
Dito naman ang munang maganda. Full moon pa ngayon. Pangit ng kuha. Ayan, time now is 8:45 p.m. Nandito kami sa, ano nga to? NLEX Drive and Dine sa Valenzuela. Kasi, ihina ako tsaka gutom na. So, nandito kami sa Kenny Rogers. Erin! Mga gutom, naubos ang ano, pagkain. How are you?
Good. I didn't this
Yeah. Tutulog lang siya buong biyahe. Nagising lang siya dito. Pagod na pagod siya. Sunog na ang kamay.